Alright, so I'm moving away from them. And we got a couple of fishermen that have already caught a fish when I was here. And there's the ducks over here. And the sky is absolutely beautiful. Everything is fantastic. Oh, the breeze is blowing on me. That's so nice. I don't know where these guys came from, but here they are. Now look at this. Man, oh man. Can't beat it. Just fantastic. And over here, there's all these incredible flowers, too. Oh, yeah. Yep, it's great. I love it. Beautiful mullein plant right there. That tallest one, that's great. They're figuring out what they're gonna do. I'll get out of here. And they'll have some peace. All right, bye-bye.